Hey, hi all, a warm welcome to all of you. Welcome to SLP IT Technologies. So in this video, we're gonna show you about complete Python full stack web development roadmap. Before that, I would like to share a few things index, like what is about course overview and what you learn in this course and what is front end and back end, what is full stack web development and what is Python full stack web development, and who can take this course and what will be the future of Python and what are the various job opportunities and salary expectations and resume building. We can cover all this in this demo class. Comes to course overview. So welcome to Python full stack web development course. In this course we cover everything you need to know to build a website using Python, Django and many other more web technologies. Whether you want to change your career paths and expand your current skill, start your own entrepreneurial business, become a consultant, or just want to learn, this is course for you. And we will teach you to the latest technologies for building great web applications with Python 3 and Django. But we don't just teach that, we also teach the front-end technologies you need to know, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. So this course can be your next shop for everything you need. Now we have seen that complete course overview, right? Now let's see what are the things which we're going to cover or learn in this course. We will learn about HTML, that is to create website content, and CSS to create beautifully styled sites, and Bootstrap, it is like advantage to quickly style sites, and we use JavaScript to interact with the websites on the front end. So these are all like front end technologies, and we use this jQuery to quickly work with the DOM is document object model, and we understand the HTTP request. It's like what are the APIs and all we learn in this HTTP request, and we learn the power of Python to code out your web applications, and we use a framework called as Django for our web applications, and we will follow one model view template structure for your website. So we will learn all these things in this course. So I just explained like what are the technology we use in the front end, right? Let's say what is front end and what is back end. So front end means a front end development is the process of creating the user facing part of a website and or application, and it involves designing and building the graphical user interface that users interact with. Let's see here, HTML, it is just like a skeleton, so it will just to design the website application. It doesn't have any features like any styling, it's just a simple normal design. Now if you add CSS, it will be like adding the colors and the style. It will just like this, like giving the dress or like hairstyle, all this is like a style. And now comes to JavaScript, that is like a main thing, that is like features. So our brain is like a JavaScript. Now it will give all the functionalities and features, right? So we'll the all these things combines in we use in front end development. Now comes to back end development. So if for this back end development, one sec guys, yeah. So for this back end development refers to the practice of building the server side logic. So this is the browser side. So the browser side means like if you're seeing any application like Gmail, Facebook, right? Those are like seeing on the browser application. So this backend is like server side logic for web applications using the Python programming, essentially handling all the behind scenes operations like database interaction and data processing and user authentication and UAPI creation. We learn all these things. And so let's see for each topic about backend, like server means like it is the backend development handles the server side logic, and we can handle the server as well. Server means like web host or like host anything, and database means like it is just it's a core part of web backend development is managing data storage and retrieval from the databases using SQL queries. And here backend programming language we use for Python for that, and Django the framework. And API means like take uh, backend developers build APIs that allow different applications to communicate with each other. Suppose how the YouTube and the Gmail are work together, because when you logged into a Gmail, the same mail ID works with YouTube, right? So it is interacting between two applications, right? The same way these APIs will help you to interact the two applications. This is about complete backend development. I just told like in the backend we are going to use Django framework. So let's see what are the features of the Django. So there are multiple frameworks. So that one is Flask or Fast API, the other things. So why preferring only Django? So we'll just discuss about the features. One is object relational mapping. So the second one is user authentication and authorization. The next is admin interface, and the last one is database model generation. So these are the multiple features in which are in Django. It doesn't have such other features in some other frameworks. Okay, now we have seen that what is front end and back end, right? Now let's see what is full stack. So full stack covers both front end and back end aspects of software development. So full stack developers work with databases, APIs, development tools, and design of the web application. This is about complete full stack developer. And what is Python full stack developer will do? So Python full stack combines both Python framework and for that is for backend development with front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, Java. Why we are using only Python? It is popular due to Python simplicity, scalability, and vast libraries for everything from APIs to machine learning. That's why we always prefer with Python full stack development. Now you got like what are the different developments and full stack, right? Now let's see what will be the future if I learn this Python full stack. So what is the future of Python? So with Python's growth in AML and web development, the demand for Python full stack developers is steadily increasing. See, along with Python, we don't use only for Python full stack. We can use in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and web development and automation, and neural networking and network automation, as well as um, some other scriptings. And main thing is IoT, that is Internet of Things, the things which are working on internet we can use for all these things. And there are a number of frameworks like Django, Flask combined with modern front ends make Python a versatile choice for startups and enterprises. So this is about the complete future of Python. So people who want to learn a new thing, so this course is definitely helpful for them. So who can take this course? For this like complete beginners or like professionals looking to bridge gaps in their knowledge, and Python developers who are looking to get into web development. So they can take this complete course. Now we got the point like people who wants to take this course and what will be the future of Python. Now let's see what are the various job opportunities once if you learn this course. And Python full stack developers can work as a backend developers as well as full stack engineers or as like API developers or like even in AI ML roles. So companies ranging from startups to MNCs like Google, Amazon hire full stack developers. Will there like you can see a number of openings on your full stack or as like complete one Python automation or as like API developers. We can go with this. And what are these salary expectations? So once if you learn this course and what will be the salary expectations. So the salary for any Python full stack developer in India can vary depending on experience, location and company and job titles. So job titles means like AP developer or full stack or like backend, these things. So salary it will be like different by experience. It's like for 0 to 2 it will be like more than 6 and 3 to 5 is like mid level, it's like 9 to 12 and senior level are like lead developers. So there are different types and the different experience and different location, different companies based on the salary expectations. You can see. And not only these things which we cover in this course, so there are one more thing that is a resume building. We will guide you on how to build your resume to make it ATS, that is ATS friendly, and we will explain how to find and apply for the opportunities in different companies and various job portals and company career portals. We'll explain you everything in this. And one more thing is like we will conduct some assignments every week, and there will be small quizzes and as well as the mock interviews at the end of the course. So we will teach all these things. So I hope this video helps you to understand the things and what is the front end and back end and full stack, these things and different languages and tools which you are going to use in this course. If you really likes this video and Hope if you are learning to learn with SLP technologies, please reach out the contact number and Gmail IDs which are giving in the first slide. And thank you guys and have a good day. Bye.